Hi store owners, today I want to show you what the StoreAgent AI Chat Bot actually looks like for your shoppers. This is my store, and the moment a customer lands on the shop page, the assistant is already sitting there in the bottom right corner, ready to answer questions around the clock. So let me ask it something a real shopper would ask. I'm looking for a gift under $100 and I'd like a recommendation. Now watch what happens, because this isn't answering from a script. It's reading my actual catalogue, my live prices, and every product description I've written, then working out what genuinely fits the budget I gave it. And there's my answer with a real product, the real price, and a link running straight through to that page. It works on product pages too, and this is where it really earns its keep. I'll open up one of my blazers and I'll ask the question shoppers always ask right before they buy. Does this come in large? And straight away, it confirms the size, quotes the price in my own currency, lists every size I actually carry, and drops in a card linking back to the product. Nobody has to leave the page, hunt through a size chart, or sit waiting on an email to find out. And that's the shopper's side of StoreAgent Chat. It's answering from your live product data on every page you choose, day and night, so the questions that used to stall a sale get handled the moment they come up. If you have questions, please comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.